Hello friends, in this video I will tell you some features of TOLIOM Stick Portable Welding Machine. The TOLIOM 135A is a 110V stick welder equipped with MMA Arc Welding technology and a state-of-the-art DC inverter system. Designed with portability in mind, this lightweight machine weighs only around 10 pounds, perfect for jobs on the go or compact workshops. Its easy-to-read digital display gives you accurate, real-time amperage readings, ensuring you're always in control. Built-in excellent anti-stick, arc force, hot start and other functions, easy to operate, safe and convenient for beginner. Can handle E6010, 6011, and E7018 cellulose electrode, adopting IGBT inverter power system, suitable for mild steel, cast iron, stainless steel as well as hard surfacing. The TOLIOM 135A nails it. With its lightweight design and compact size, it's easy to transport anywhere. From home DIY projects to farm repairs and on-site jobs, this welder is ready when you are. The TOLIOM 135A is equipped with overheat protection, overcurrent protection, and a stable DC output to ensure your welding experience is safe and hassle-free. Whether you're working with E7018, E6011, or E6010 rods, this welder can handle it all, giving you clean and consistent welds every time. So, if you're looking for a reliable, portable, and powerful stick welder that won't break the bank, the TOLIOM 135A is the perfect choice for you. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.